तो ये आपका क्लास 10th ट्राइगोनोमेट्री का एक क्वेश्चन है। सेक थीटा माइनस कॉट थीटा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा वी हैव टू प्रूव। तो हम इसमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले लेंगे LHS विच इज कोसेक थीटा माइनस कॉट थीटा होल स्क्वायर, राइट? So now we are going to write it is in the form of 1 upon sine theta, and this is the cos theta upon sine theta. Can we write like this? Okay, so we can write like this. Okay, so now take the LCM in this. So LCM will be our sine theta, and this is a 1 minus cos theta whole square, right? So this will be become 1 minus cos square theta whole square. So we can write like 1 minus cos theta whole square, and again this will become sine square. So sine square is written like this. So we can write like sine square theta. So again we can write like 1 minus cos square theta upon sine square theta is written 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so cos square theta. So we can also write this is a whole square, not complete whole square. So this is written like 1 minus cos square cos theta whole square, and this is written 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus sine theta. So 1 minus cos theta is our power is deducted. So our answer will be like this will become 1 minus cos theta and upon 1 plus cos theta, which is equal to right hand side. So this will be our answer. Okay, now हम second question इसमें देखने की कोशिश करते हैं, that is tan theta equal to tan theta equal to a upon b. Now we are going to convert this form in the form of tan theta. So what we are going taking the right hand left hand side, this is a sin theta minus b cos theta upon a sin theta plus b cos theta. Okay, so we are going to divide each term by cos theta. So it will become, if you divide cos theta, so this will become sin theta upon cos theta, and this is also b cos theta upon cos theta, and whole expression denominator is also divided sin theta upon cos theta plus b cos theta upon cos theta. Okay, so we are going to divide like this. So it will become something like a tan theta minus b, and this will become a tan theta plus b, and we will put the value of a tan theta which is equal to a upon b here. So it will be a into a upon b minus b, and this will be also a into a upon b plus b. So what we can write, we are taking LCM b here, and we will be written like a square, and we will multiply b in this part, so it will become b square, and again this is upon b, and again this will be multiply here, so it will be a square plus b square upon b. Okay, so b is cancel out, so it will be become a square upon b square, which will be written like this. So this part will be our a square minus b square. So this will be our answer. Okay, so take this part. This is also asked in previous year questions. So what we are going to do, if 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal to 4, then we have to find if tan a की value हमें find करनी है. Okay, so how can you do that? We have to check it in the other part. Okay, so it is a 4a 7 if 7a square plus 3 cos square equal to 4. So tan a tan A is tan square theta upon 1 plus tan theta plus cot square theta 1 plus cot theta. So this is written in the form of sec square theta, and this will be written sin square theta upon cos square theta, and this is what? Sec square theta into sec square theta, and this is a cos square theta upon sin square theta cot theta. Okay, so this will become 1, this will become 1, so it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is a simplified. Okay, now the second part, which is told in this part, so we will be taking 7 sin square A plus 3 cos square A plus equal to 4. Now we have to find tan A. What is tan A? Okay, so how will you write that? This is written like 7 sin it is written 4 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta A plus 3 cos square A equal to 4. Okay, so this will become what? 3. It will become we are taking common, so it is sin square A plus cos square A, this part equal to 4. Now what we can do, so this is written also 7 sin square theta plus this, sorry 4, so 4 sin square theta, and this is a 1, so 3 into 1, that is 4. Now 3 is transposed in this side, so 4 sin square theta equal to 4 minus 3, which is 1. So 4 sin square theta means A, right? This is A part. So sin square A equal to 1 by 4. So sin A equal to 1 by 2. Okay, sin A equal to 1 by 2. So we can also find cos A, like we can find it sin A. So this is one part, and this will be 2. So what is it? This 4 minus 1, that is 3. So it will be root 3, right? So 1 upon root 3. So tan A will be 1 upon root 3. So this is our answer. Okay, thank you so much.